Morning. What is your name?
My name is Jacob.
Jacob. Okay, now Kuya Jacob, are you ready to meet our animal friend?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, super ready. Okay, and with that, please welcome our feathered friend. And here is Zook. Where are you, Zook? There you are. Okay, Kuya Jacob. Can you put your hands like this? Okay, just relax. And face the audience, okay? Alright, so once again, this is Zook, our Philippine Scops Owl. They are the largest Scops Owl in the world. And don't you know that an owl can rotate their neck up to 270 degrees without breaking blood vessels or tearing tendons? On Zook, you can do it? Okay. And also, you can tell which part of the day the owls are active by just looking at the color of their eyes. So owls with the yellow eyes are diurnal, meaning they're most active during daytime. While owls with brown color or black color of the eye are nocturnal, meaning they're most active during nighttime. While owls with the orange color of the eye, just like Zook, are crepuscular, meaning they're most active during dawn and dusk. Okay, Kuya Jacob, what can you say about Zook?
She's really cute and so good.
Cute. Okay, thank you so much. How about a big round of applause for Zook and of course, Kuya Jacob.